Hello crypto enthusiasts, and welcome back to another Paws Airdrop video. In today's video we're going to be talking about the latest Paws mystery tax, and this tax is talking about web access. Okay, and you can see right here in the end section it says easy Paws web access. So what does it mean? Okay, I'm going to be telling you what this means in a moment. If we head over to the home screen right now and click on visit website and select a browser of our choice, I'll be using Chrome for this. It's going to lead you to the Paws site which you did your verification. Now for those of us who haven't done the verification, I've created a video on how to do exactly that, step by step, everything you need to know. I'll leave the link in the video description. If you haven't also joined Paws, you might want to join right now using the link in the video description. Now if you look right here, you're going to see your account details right here, and at the top right here you see add to home screen. Okay, so these guys want you to add the Paws mini app or the Paws site to your home screen. Okay, and we can just simply click here right now to add this to home screen in our Chrome browser. To make this more understandable, I'm just going to head back to the Paws app and click on the end section and click on start. Okay, we have to start from here so you get to grabs the whole process. Okay, so I'm going to click on start right now, and the moment I click on start, it's going to say choose your default browser. Of course you want to choose Chrome. Okay, and this is still going to lead you to the Paws site. So what you're meant to do, like I said, is to click on add to home screen, and the moment you click on this right now, it's going to say install Paws PWA. Now we're going to click on got it. So the next thing you're meant to do is to click on this three dotted icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Then you come over here that says add to home screen, and then just click on this right now, and you can see create shortcut Paws. We're going to click on add. You can actually edit the name, but you can just leave it as Paws, right? The name is already, so we're going to click on add right now, and it says add to desktop. We're going to click on add right here, and we're going to head over to the home screen of our mobile device right now. So if you look right here, it is not actually in our home screen. So where do we look for this? Where do we get to see this? Now if you don't see this in your home screen right here, depending on the phone you are using, you can just go over to your app drawer, okay, to check if it's there. So I'm just going to do this right away. So this is it, guys. I'm on the fourth page of my app drawer right now, so you can see that Paws has now been added to our app section. Okay, so it is that simple, and if you click on this right now, this would automatically lead you to Paws site, as easy as ABC. So we're going to head back to Telegram, and to claim your reward, log into your account using Paws icon on the home screen of your smartphone. Okay, so we're going to go back right now, click on this, and we're going to log in right now. Right, you can see we just logged into our account, right? And then head back to the Paws app and then click on this three dotted icon at the top right corner of our screen. Okay, and then reload this very page. Now once the page reloads, just go over to the end section and you will see that you can now claim your reward, right? As easy as ABC. So I'm going to click on claim right now to claim this very reward, right? You get rewarded 5,000 Paws. Now there was also a tax added down here which they call the unban Paws X. Okay, and that tax was said to reward people with 1 million Paws token if Twitter happens to unban Paws X account. X account is Twitter account, is still the same thing. So what happened was that Twitter banned the account, and they kind of brought out that tax reward people or anyone who will be able to pull the move that would unban their X account. Okay, so if you can pull the move, you will be rewarded with 1 million Paws token. Okay, but the information was not really clear. We don't really know for sure if it's just one person or everyone, but you can see right here the tax is no longer available, so if that is not possible, there's no way they're going to actually reward you with 1 million Paws. So we're going to forget that since it's no longer here and claim our Paws token right now. And then if we head back right now, you see that we now have 319 Paws token right here. So it's really easy, guys. This is not rocket science. You just have to follow the instruction as I have just touched you. If you haven't joined Paws, you can still join right now. I mean, the snapshot has been taken, but something is still going on. And if you happen to have lost your accounts because Grinch took it, okay, if you happen to have lost your token because Grinch took it, this is an opportunity to still accumulate something before the launch date. Okay, so this is it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.